Hi students, welcome back to our mathematics class. Do you understand the concept of rational numbers now? Let us recall the definition of rational numbers. A number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. That is the definition of rational numbers. Today we are going to consider the topics comparison of rational numbers and rational numbers between two rational numbers. First we are going to consider the topic ascending and descending order of rational numbers. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. 5 by 7 minus 4 by 9, 2 by 3. Here the denominators are different. To make them equal, take the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of denominators is 63. 5 by 7 is equal 5 into 9 by 7 into 9 is equal to 45 by 63. Next, minus 4 by 9 is equal to minus 4 into 7 by 9 into 7 is equal to minus 28 by 63. Next take 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into 21 by 3 into 21 is equal to 42 by 63. Now all the denominators are same. So let's compare these numbers. Minus 28 by 63 is less than 42 by 63 less than 45 by 63. So, minus 4 by 9 is less than 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 7. Ascending order means arrange numbers from smallest to biggest. Next, arrange these numbers in descending order. Minus 3 by 4, 5 by minus 12 and minus 7 by 16. Here also we first take the LCM of denominators, that is 48. So minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 3 into 12 by 4 into 12 is equal to minus 36 by 48. 5 by minus 12 is equal to 5 into minus 4 by minus 12 into minus 4 is equal to minus 20 by 48. Next take minus 7 by 16. Minus 7 by 16 is equal to minus 7 into 3 by 16 into 3, that is equal to minus 21 by 48. Now the denominators are same. So let's compare these numbers. Descending order means we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. So minus 20 by 48 is greater than minus 21 by 48 is greater than minus 36 by 48. That means 5 by minus 12 greater than minus 7 by 16 greater than minus 3 by 4. Next one, arrange these numbers in ascending order. 6 by 10, 21 by 30, 20 by 24. Here also the denominators are different. So first take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators is equal to 240. Now take each number one by one. First one 6 by 10 is equal to 6 into 24 by 10 into 24, that is equal to 144 by 240. Now consider the next number, that is 21 by 30. So 21 by 30 is equal to 21 into 8 by 30 into 8, that is equal to 168 by 240. Next one, 20 by 24 is equal to 20 into 10 by 24 into 10, that is equal 200 by 240. Now the denominators are same. So arrange these rational numbers in ascending order. That means from smallest to biggest. That is 144 by 240 less than 168 by 240 is less than 200 by 240. That means 6 by 10 is less than 21 by 30 is less than 20 by 24. Next one. Arrange these numbers in descending order. Minus 7 by 8, 1 by 4, minus 4 by 5. Here, first take the LCM of the denominators, that is 40. Now consider each number one by one, that is minus 7 by 8 is equal to minus 7 into 5 by 8 into 5. That is equal to minus 35 by 40. Next number 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is equal 1 into 10 by 4 into 10, that is equal 10 by 40. Next number minus 4 by 5. So take minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 is equal minus 4 into 8 divided by 5 into 8. That is equal to minus 32 by 40. Now the denominators are same. So arrange these numbers in descending order. That is 10 by 40 is greater than minus 32 by 40 is greater than minus 35 by 40. That means 1 by 4 is greater than minus 4 by 5 is greater than minus 7 by 8. Now these numbers are in descending order. That means from greatest to smallest. Next topic. Finding rational numbers between two other rational numbers. Question. Find two numbers between 1 and 2. If you look at the number line, you may think that there are no numbers between 1 and 2. Well, it's okay for the old you to think that way, since the old you only know about the natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. What the new you would say is, you want two numbers. I can give you 200 numbers between 1 and 2. Why would the new you say that? Because the new you knows more mathematics. The new you knows about rational numbers. Let's look at what lies between 1 and 2. What's in the middle? There is 1 by 2. Can you divide it further? Yes. That is 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Let's clear all these and start over. What if you need to find 10 numbers between 1 and 2? Well, think of a denominator that is greater than 10. We can think of 15. How can you write 1 with denominator 15 as 15 by 15? 15 by 15 means 1. How can you write 2 with denominator 15 as 30 by 15? 30 by 15 means 2. Now you can easily find any 10 rational numbers between 15 by 15 and 30 by 15. What are they? They are 16 by 15, 17 by 15, 18 by 15, 19 by 15, 20 by 15, 21 by 15, 22 by 15, 23 by 15, 24 by 15, 25 by 15, 26 by 15, 27 by 15, 28 by 15 and 29 by 15. Now you know what to do if you need to find 200 numbers between 1 and 2. Did you understand how to compare the rational numbers? Yes.